This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, sit in the driver's seat, leave the car in park and turn ignition to on or ACC so the instrument cluster is live. Find the odometer/trip button. On older Lexus models, it's a stalk or dash button. On newer cars, it may be a steering wheel toggle or display control. Press the button repeatedly until the display reads Trip A. Once Trip A is on screen, pause. The display must show Trip A for the next reset step to work. Now perform the actual reset. Press and hold the Trip Reset button for about 2 to 3 seconds. This clears the Trip A readout to 0. If your Lexus uses the multi-information display, use the DISP or OK button on the steering wheel. Navigate to Trip A, then press and hold OK until the value returns to 0. You do this because the system locks the Trip readout to avoid accidental changes. Holding the button signals an intentional reset, so the cluster clears the stored distance. Finish by confirming Trip A shows 0. Start the engine and check the display again to make sure the reset persisted. If the reset does not take, cycle the ignition to OFF, then back to on, and repeat the hold reset step. Sometimes the cluster needs a wake cycle. If that still fails, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes to clear minor electronic glitches, then reconnect. If Trip A still won't reset, consult the owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.